There we go. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
So delayed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I remember when we were doing my van.
Winter's Mort.
Winter Mort. Marie Cam, everyone.
I like your little piece of camera.
Sorry?
I liked your little piece of camera.
Oh, me, I can't believe you put that in, you know. I was hoping, I wanted to delete it because it wasn't in focus.
It's funny.
God's sake. Yeah, we like to leave messages, don't we?
New toilet.
Oh, you don't tell me I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
What's it feel like? Oh yeah, it's quite light actually. Wow.
Very kind gift from somebody.
Unicorns. I'm so sorry. I hope it fits where I can. You help video me and packaging it.
I need everything that comes out of your mouth on video.
For fuck's sake. So you're gonna buy me pizza then? Or McDonald's?
A McDonald's?
Yeah. McDonald's.
Or Audi? No, Lidl.
Oh no, Aldi, the
No,
pan
I'm not
pizzas.
I'm not going Audi at this time of day.
Oh, actually, I don't have an oven.
Let's go Lidl and get Ridge Monkey pizzas. How about that?
Yeah, but what about Aldi?
Huh?
It'll be the
I'm
same.
not good. No,
Why?
because Lidl's car park is usable.
Oh yeah, true. Alright, boys and
Let's
girls.
see what interesting things they have.
Oh, yes. Oh, slippy.
I will assist.
Oh, wicked. Oh, like.
The Porta Potty 365.
I wonder where the spout is. That's what I'm interested
Take it
in.
out of the wrapper and then.
Truly, this is my toilet, not yours. Oh wow.
Looks very fresh.
I almost don't want to use it. Oh.
So look.
Why?
It's, wow.
Oh,
Oh, that's fresh.
bloody hell. God, that's so shiny.
Oh, that's the flush, look.
Oh, no way. That's so much better than the old one.
And then that's you. Is that you? There you go, there's your hatch.
Hello, Pooh.
Dog.
So, yes, the spout's like yours.
Level thing there.
The spout thing's like yours, honey. Oh, I'm gonna. This is the best thing actually because I struggle with mine. How do I uncook it?
Here. See.
Oh.
Oh, it's literally just to the side.
Oh, right.
Oh, and the spout.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
And
Right. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, wicked. That's so much better, isn't it?
oh yeah, you just have the big bloody Twizzly thing, don't you?
Yeah, I know. Let's put the cap on. Which one would it be? Guess it'll be that one. One goes there. One goes there.
So what's this then? Is this to fill the flush up? Yeah.
Nice work. Oh, wicked.
Nice.
What's
So
this?
that handle, you just only have to move
What's
it a
that?
little bit. Oh, that's the air release valve. So when you do it,
Oh.
you do your thing.
You do that first?
And you have to hold that while it's doing it. Lets the air out. That's what I have to do with mine.
Wait, what?
Otherwise it.
I take this off first.
Yeah, hold that. So yeah, you hold it like this. Cap off, and then you hold the button down and tip.
Right.
Because it lets the air, because it's sealed. I have to do the same with mine.
Right, okay.
So it's like an air valve.
So where does it come out of then?
Huh?
Where does it come out of? Not there. Oh, that's it.
No, it comes out of there, obviously. The poo. It lets the air go in, so because otherwise it like churns.
Maybe that's why mine's so stinky.
No, it's only for emptying. That's nice though.
Yeah, it's really shiny and
then it
lovely.
Latches under the front like that, and then you just move that over and put your hand right down the hole into the poo.
No, we don't. Do we, Bibbins?
Huh?
You took too forward.
No, like that.
Oh yeah, I can see the little arches. Peekaboo! Toilet time!
Oh, for God's sake.
Oh, kill me. Is that on then? Oh, let me don't put this in 'cause I can't mark it. How the fuck? There we go, it's done. Oh, wicked.
I'm gonna put your lid back on.
Yeah. You can do the thumbnail if you're going to do a video today. I think you are. Of me sitting on my toilet on my driveway. If you like.
Yeah.
Probably get bloody banned or something, wouldn't you?
Bloody well banned, Glyn.
Oh yeah, I know, but it's how hard can it really do?
Litter bug.
It's my own drive. Right then. Wicked. Yay. Oh, I don't want to use it, it's so nice. You definitely not using it.
Do your first slidey in there if you miss.
Skiddies all down it.
Perfect to throw away. Get yours out and we'll show the folks the difference.
Oh yeah, good idea. I had a wee in there last night, but...
And we didn't need to know that. God, how old school that looks.
Same ones as Connor.
Is it?
Yeah.
Old and new. Oh, you broke your handle?
Yeah, I know. It just came off.
There we
I
go.
wonder if it's the same litre. I feel like it's takes a bit more.
Don't know.
So it definitely got louder.
I've been making that for a while. And I took all the wheel off when I was in Chamonix and like checked the disc and all that for warpage. It didn't seem warped. But I think, yeah. I think it's the tyre. For some reason the front right tyre's really dodgy. It's all like skepped. So I think that's definitely the tyre. That noise there.
Yeah, it's got to be in it. Because it's not like a metal sand or anything like that, is it?
Well, I think what's happening is it's vibrating, and then the disc protector plate is vibrating, and that's what's making it sound horrific. I think. I mean, the bloody wheel could be bottled. I don't know. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my mum's and swap the front wheels for the back. I need new tyres anyway, because they're obviously knackered on the front, but the back, the backs have got quite a bit of life left in them, so you should be able to get away with just getting 2 new tyres.
Roundabout. A real English one this time. Oh, Popo.
Valencia. Gendarme.
Gendarmerie.
Oh, that sounds so bad.
What? Oh yeah. Thank you, good sir, that let us go. We have arrived. Oh, there's a yellow car. Now return. It's so weird coming down here, you know, because this just all used to be fields, didn't it?
Coming to the Super U of England.
Yes.
I think Audi's definitely better, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's have a vote. Who thinks Audi's better than Lidl?
I mean, Audi's just better.
I think.
The only reason
Audi's
we're coming to
definitely
Lidl
better.
instead of Audi is because I can actually park here
Yeah.
at this time of day.
Yeah, it's nice big parking. But yeah.
Successful Lidl trip. Hey.
You know when you have it with
Got
like
myself some shorts. Look at this, eh? Lidl shorts. Buzzing. It's the first time I bought myself an item of clothing for a long time. My other shorts are all wrecked, and I thought, I know, it's nearly winter, so we'll buy some more shorts. Need fuel now. That's going to be about 80 quid.
You think that?
Mm.
How do you say that word?
Important fuel becomes when it's your house.
Yeah. We know 100%.
Thank you very much to the people that sent some money. You know who you are. That's your name on the internet with a low point at the minute. And hopefully very soon. Huh?
As always.
No, not as always.
Yes.
Hopefully we'll be out of it soon. And we won't be scraping.
71 big boys.
Litres, isn't there?
Huh?
I still had 15 litres in it.
Oh.
There's the fuel light was on.
That lady just looked at the camera.
Huh?
That lady just looked at the camera.
£71. That hurts.
Yeah, it's a lot of money, isn't it?
But that'll get me down south next week if we go. Won't be able to get back, but it's all good.
It's all good.
Alright folks, I'm going to try and quickly swap these. So I think this is the problem, look. Now where you can see. You see how it's gone all steps, these bits. That should definitely not be like that. So I think that's causing the vibration. Well, I know it is. Whereas the back ones are fairly flat still. I mean, if I could afford it, I'd obviously just buy 4 new tyres, but I can't do that, so I'm going to swap this for this and give it a go. Right, so what I've got to do, just grab the spare, swap this for the spare, then swap this for that one, then swap that one for the spare. Oh joy. Oh Jesus. Oh dear. Compared to the new ones, not the big wheels. Oh god. How great does that look? Like the Virgin van. Yeah, look at this, you can see it much clearer now. The difference with the steps. There you go. I think what it is because I've got a lot of weight on the right side, and obviously going onto the front brakes it dips down onto this side, so probably my fault for crap weight distribution. Alright, there we go. Right, so we've now got the shit tyre on the back, as you can see that, and the better one on the front. I mean, they have worn down quite a bit, these have. So you see this step here, I mean, I'd say these used to be about there once upon a time, but I've done over 30,000 miles on them, so what do you expect really? Alright, I'm going to go for a little test drive, see if it's solved the problem. Right, so there's still vibrations there, but it's changed slightly. Or quite a lot actually. Just try and get up to a bit of speed. Yeah, it's definitely changed. Yeah, 100%. So it's still a bit rumbly. Because obviously the rumble's still coming through the back, I guess, down the chassis. But it was worse before when you let off. You're doing about 30 and you let off the throttle. If I let off now, yeah, nothing, nowhere near. So it's definitely the tyres. Well, that's good news. That's very, very good news actually. I was getting worried it was something more serious. So that means the disc isn't warped at all. It was exactly what I thought. It was just the vibrations all transferring up through everything. So now they're just going up to Leon in the back. I'm gonna go for a little drive because I love driving and it's nice to have some diesel and be able to drive. Really nice area around here. This is South Leicestershire. This is the area where I grew up and I've spent most of my life in it. So it's nice to come back to familiar grounds. Yeah, like I was saying before, when we were at the petrol station, you know, seriously thank you to everyone that sort of helped out and sent a bit of money across, because it has been pretty rough. I mean, I don't go into it that much on here because no one wants to hear about my issues. I'm going to take you for a little drive through the countryside. Reminds me of being back on the road in the middle of nowhere in France, like northern France, on my own, just down random single track lanes looking for where I'm going to sleep. Look at this now, folks. It's gone mega mode. Look at that. I had to put out the other camera and show you because this is just ridiculous. Look at that. What a sunset.